Good morning guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So we'll go straight over to those charts. It will be a quick video this morning because obviously you guys can see not much has really happened. So basically last night's video still applies. Obviously the Stokes will be making a bit more of a move. 4 hours still on the march upwards, which would be good if we can get back above this midpoint into the bullish area. 12-hour Stokes looking like they are potentially going to turn around as well. So obviously if they do and they start coming up, that could give us a nice little boost. And daily Stokes, daily Stokes could turn up as well if we do start to make a little bit of a move up. I don't think it's going to take a lot to turn these up. So I feel like this weekend the price action is going to be it's just going to probably drift upwards. I would guess. Just purely based on the Bitcoin indicators. Obviously we've got to keep an eye on the weekend Wall Street, which is seems to be coming off a little bit, down nearly 1%, so that will be a drag on our price, and if that comes down a bit more, it will drag Bitcoin down a bit. But yeah, just something to keep an eye on. It doesn't move us as much as it does during the week in the actual cash market or the futures market that trade during the week and obviously in the evening time. But yeah, so you see on the daily, really it's a case of if we get back above 9,200 and hold above there, then I think we will we will test up to around. I think we'll test up to this resistance, even if it's only sort of wicks and we initially test it and we don't hold up there. But I think we're going to play out this range here. I think potentially we'll get up to 9,400 this weekend, and then yeah, I mean that'll put us solidly in this range, and then we can hope to build hope to change this downtrend that we've got going on. Yeah, I mean we've got people talking about a falling wedge. I'll draw this on because yeah, I mean, oops, sorry. Because we potentially have got a falling wedge on here. We'll just adjust this now that we've actually broken out of that. Yeah, falling wedge pattern. You can see coming along here. So falling wedges are inherently bullish patterns. I'm not sure far down how we'll draw this. It obviously comes out of our ascending triangle. We've got triangles everywhere, haven't we? But yeah, so is this potentially going to help us? I mean, we are at the bottom edge of this wedge as well. So if we are going to make a move, we've got well, we've got the bottom of this wedge. We've got the bottom of this triangle. We've got this horizontal support here. I think there are a lot of reasons why this is a difficult level for us to break down from. I'm not saying, obviously, I'm not saying we can't do it. It's just a difficult level for us to break down from. So you would expect at least a test up, even if it comes to the top of the wedge and we then break down. I mean, that would be quite realistic. So I mean, it may end up being we aren't going to break upwards. We are going to break down first, and then I believe the best sell opportunity, if that is the case, will be around this 9,400 level, which will incidentally be the top of the wedge, top of this trend line, and also this overhead resistance here. So that's potentially what I'm looking at here. Looking for basically potential shorts around this level. I mean, you'll easily know when you're wrong if you start trading above 9,500 and holding above there. But yeah, I think that would be a good potential short entry if we get there. Failing that, obviously, below 9,000. I mean, I think we've tested down here quite a while. If we get to 9,000 or below 9,000 again, I think that will be it. We will then at least come down to, well, like I've been saying, we'll at least get down to this level, and this level could potentially hold the price up anyway, and we could just be in sort of a box formation. And yeah, and not a box formation, but just in this box, basically this area, and then yeah, we could bounce and play around off that area. No problems with that. But I mean, that would have to bounce pretty quickly and convincingly off that and back up though, just so that we don't, just to confirm that we are in that sort of range. Because if we do break down, then if we break down from here, from this level, from the 8,600. Then it becomes pretty certain to me that the only real level of support is around here. So we will definitely see another good $1,000 off the Bitcoin price. So not that that necessarily has to be the worst thing. I have mentioned that the weekly Stokes turning over is clearly a bad sign, and has even in bull markets preceded 30 to 40% retraces. So we can still be in a bull market and have a 30 to 40% retrace based off the weekly Stokes turning down. So yeah, something we've got to be aware of there. But do I think we'll break down straight from here this weekend? Probably not. So in that case, I feel like we'll probably drift back up. But yeah, I mean, other than that, really not much else. I'm preparing this altcoin video because I think there'll be a lot of opportunities in altcoins, especially some of the DeFi picks and the ones based around new banking apps. So there's a few interesting ones there, and I've already started accumulating some of them on various exchanges I've had to recently set up for them, including Bittrex and Binance Dex. But yeah, videos for that coming soon. But yeah, at the moment, it's pretty dicey for Bitcoin, but I don't think we've got the momentum to bust through this level right away. I'm not saying that we won't break through this level and break down, but I don't think we'll do it this weekend. I think we'll potentially drift our way up to around this resistance area, and then we'll play out this zone a little bit. If we can get back above 9,500, hold up here, then that would be fantastic. That's the Goldilocks scenario for us, because I think that gives us a good chance of then breaking out the top of this formation, also out of the top of the falling wedge that we've drawn. So yeah, we've got that would be a potential nice move upwards. But what I feel is the most likely scenario, though, most likely, is that we'll get rejected by the top of this and this resistance, and then come back down and potentially fall out the bottom. But we'll have to see what happens. But yes, that's it. Real quick one this morning, guys. So thanks for listening. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And yeah, and I'll speak to you later on today with some more videos.